Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video we're gonna be talking about spider plant. This is a very easy to grow and easy to care plant. You can grow it in a pot and hanging baskets as well. Like the plant you see in front of me is in a hanging pot, and you can see how healthy and beautiful it looks. It is called a spider plant because of its long leaves resembling the feet of a spider. So if you are a beginner in gardening, then this is the best plant for you because it doesn't require a lot of care. This is a very common plant. You can find it near your nurseries easily. This plant is grown in a place or kept in a place where it gets filtered sunlight or indirect sunlight. These comes in three to four different varieties, which includes like this one, which has green in the middle and white on the outside. Other varieties have full green, and others have white in the center and green on the edges. It looks a lot like pendant plants, so don't get confused with this one because they might look alike, but their care is very different. So be careful with that. Because a lot of plant sellers, when you go to nursery, when they don't have a spider plant, they tend to give pendant plant to you, and you get confused because these plants look a lot like each other. So be careful when you go shopping for spider plant. Provide this plant with well-drained soil because this stops from soil holding on excess water. Because when you don't provide this plant with well-drained soil, the excess water tends to hold in the soil, which results to root rot, and the tips of the leaves start to turn brown. Plant leaves are turning brown from the edges. This might be your problem. You can propagate this plant in two ways: one by dividing the baby plants, and the other by growing runners of this plant. Provide this plant with liquid fertilizer and vermicompost once a month, and it should be enough for this plant. Water this plant when you see the soil is dried up to 1 inch. Don't overwater this plant and don't underwater this plant as well. Both can result in your plant dying. This is all from this video. I hope you got to learn something about this plant. I'll see you guys in another video. Take care of yourself and your plant. Peace out.